Ulysses S. Grant, the 18th President of the United States, is best known for his leadership during the Civil War. He began his military career in the Mexican-American War, where he gained valuable experience. After the war, he struggled in various civilian jobs before returning to the military. In 1861, when the Civil War broke out, Grant quickly rose through the ranks due to his strategic brilliance and determination. One of Grant's most significant achievements was the capture of Fort Donelson in 1862, which earned him the nickname Unconditional Surrender Grant. His victory at the Battle of Vicksburg in 1863 was a turning point in the war, giving the Union control of the Mississippi River. Grant's relentless pursuit of Confederate General Robert E. Lee ultimately led to Lee's surrender at Appomattox Courthouse in 1865, effectively ending the Civil War. After the war, Grant served 2 terms as president from 1869 to 1877. His presidency focused on reconstruction and civil rights for freed slaves. Despite facing numerous challenges, including corruption scandals, Grant worked to stabilize the nation and promote equality. His legacy includes the establishment of the National Park System and his commitment to civil rights, which laid the groundwork for future reforms. Grant's life was marked by triumphs and tribulations, and he remains a complex figure in American history, admired for his military prowess and commitment to unity.